So today we will see what is meant by Java. So yesterday I told you what is the programming, right? So programming language we are using to communicate with our computer. So we are learning here which programming language, that is Java. So Java is a high level programming language. We know what is programming language, but it is saying like that, that is the high level programming language. So there are two types of programming language. There is the high level and the low level. High level means that is the human friendly, and low level means the machine friendly. What is meant by human friendly and what is meant by machine friendly? Human friendly means easily understandable by human than the machine. Means human can easily understand that language than the machine. That is only called as the human friendly language. So high level is a high level programming language means it is a human friendly. But low level programming language means the it is a machine friendly. Machine can easily understand than the human. It is only called as the machine friendly. And what is meant by human friendly means easily understandable by human than the machine. So high level programming language is a human friendly language. We can say that it is a high level programming language. It is based on the concept of object oriented. So what is meant by object oriented? Object oriented language means whatever concept we are writing here, whatever things we are writing here, whatever instruction we will give, that all the things are depend on the object. Okay, that all the things are depend on the object. That is only called as the object oriented. Inside the object oriented we will see several pillars also, like abstraction, polymorphism, encapsulation. These all the pillars will help you to learn the object oriented. Okay, object oriented means everything in that language is depend on the object. That will be called as the object oriented. So Java is a high level programming language. High level means the that is the human friendly, and which is based on the concept of object oriented. Okay, means everything is depend on the object only. It is its syntax is more same like a C and C++. If you know the C and C++, the Java is more easier for you. Okay, because most of the syntax of the C and C++ is same inside the Java as well. Okay. After that, but in Java we cannot do the low level programming language like a C and C++. Inside the C and C++, we are doing low level programming language, that is the machine friendly language as well. Okay. So inside the Java, we are not doing the low level programming language. We are only writing the code into the high level programming language. High level means easily understandable by human. After that, Java is a platform. This is the very important thing. Java is a platform. So why we are calling Java is a platform? So as I told you yesterday, if you write the code, so that code is known as the source code. After that, source code will convert into the byte byte code, and then byte code will convert into the another thing, that is the machine code. Okay, so these are the three things. First is the source code. So whatever we write, whatever code we will write, that is called as the source code. So we can say that this is a source code. If you are writing in any language, like if you write in code in the Python, or if you are writing in the HTML, CSS, that code is known as the source code. After that, we are not writing this code only, right? We will run the code as well. If you run this code, so this source code will convert into the byte code. Inside the Java, I am telling. Okay, in other language, another thing will be happen. Inside the Java, source code will convert into the byte code. Then this byte code will convert into the machine code of the machine language, or we can say that it is also a binary language. Inside the machine code, it will listen for only two things, that is the 1 and the 0. 1 means true or false. 1 means true and 0 means false. Okay, so source code is first converting into the byte code, and then this byte code is converted into the machine code. Okay, so one person is one thing is responsible here. Who is responsible to convert source code into the byte code? Compiler, right? And after that, byte code is converted into the machine language. Who is the responsible? Interpreter. Okay, interpreter is responsible to convert byte code into the machine language. Okay, these are the two things. Now this compiler, interpreter, where it is present? So these all the things present inside the one thing, that is called as the JVM. Okay, all the things are present inside the one thing, that is called as the JVM. So what is the meaning of the JVM is, Java is known as this, Java is, JVM stand for the Java virtual virtual machine. Okay, JVM stand for the Java virtual machine. So it is responsible for executing the Java program. Compiler and interpreter, all things present inside this JVM only. How to install JVM and all? today I will tell you. So JVM is what? JVM is a Java virtual machine, and all the things, that is the compiler, interpreter, whatever you need to run the code, that all the things present inside the JVM only. Okay, if you want to see anything inside the JVM, you can see the architecture of the JVM. In that you will able to see what are the memories, what are the things which are present inside the JVM. They all the things it will be telling you. Okay, so JVM stand for the Java virtual machine, and inside that all the things are the present. Whatever you need to run the code, all the things is present inside the JVM. Okay, so why we are calling Java is a platform? Because Java is a platform because it has its own runtime environment, that is the JVM. JVM, what it will do? It will provide the environment to run the code. If you want to run the code, it will provide all the things like compiler. It will provide the interpreter. All the things it will provide. Who will be provide? That is the JVM only. So Java, it has its own runtime environment. That's why we are calling Java is a platform. What it will do? JVM provides a platform which accepts the bytecode and executes on the machine. So same thing it will be do like it will do? It will convert source code into the bytecode. And this bytecode it will convert into the machine code. This thing they are telling here at this point. Okay, what they are telling is JVM provides a platform which accepts the bytecode and execute on the machine. Okay, so why we are calling Java as a platform? Because it has its own runtime environment, that is the JVM, and JVM stands for the Java virtual machine. This is the all about the Java. So Java is a high level programming language. Java is a platform, we can say that, and Java is based on the concept of object oriented. Okay, if anyone asks you why Java is a platform, so you have to tell that it has its own runtime environment, that is the JVM, and JVM stands for the Java virtual machine. Okay, so this is the all about what is Java, what is meant by Java. Anyone have any doubt till here? Anyone have any doubt in any point? No? Can we go? Okay. So now the another thing, that is the history of Java. So Java have some history. Like James, who developed the history, who developed the Java, that is the James Gosling and his team. Suppose if you want to develop any project, suppose we gather together and we develop one project. So one will be head, right? So James Gosling sir is the head of the Java. We can say that James Gosling is the father of the Java as well. Okay, James Gosling is the father of the Java, and his team, they are calling that team name is a Green Team. Okay, they are calling this team name as a Green Team. So who developed the Java? James Gosling and his team only. So they want some investor, right? If they want to develop something, they want the investors. Who is the investor there? That is the Sun Microsystem. But after 2010, Oracle is acquired by the Java. Okay, Oracle is acquired by Java is acquired by the Oracle company. That's why here I have wrote like Oracle 2010. After 2010, Oracle is acquired by the Java only. Okay, and firstly, who is acquiring? That is the Sun Microsystem. Now that is the Oracle 2010. If you search on the Google also, that is the Java only. So only one thing will become, that is the Oracle. If you want to download the Java also, so you can download on the website, that is the Oracle website only. Okay, so when Java is started in year 1991. So what they did, say they gathered together. One is a head and one is a team. Another people are the team. So what they did, simple, they want to develop one project. So they developed the project and they started the project. Firstly, they developed the project for the embedded system. Embedded system means what? That is the printer or the set-top box. Set-top box, you know, right? That is the Tata Scanner. For that system, they developed one project. After that, they realized like this project is more advanced for the embedded system like a printer or set-top box. After that, they converted that project into the language, and first name they have given to this language, that is the Oak. Okay, first they given the name to this language, that is the Oak. What is the first name of the Java? That is the Oak. Oak is a tree name. Okay, Oak is a tree name. But now what is the name of our language? That is Java. Why they change the name from Oak to Java? Because see, suppose we want to develop one company. Okay, suppose we all develop one company and we are giving same name like Sir Software Solution. So can we able to do that? No. If you want, if you create one company and we are giving same name, like this company have the same name, no, it's Sir Software Solution. We are also giving the same name to our company, like that is the Sir Software Solution. So can we able to do that? Can we give Sir software solution to same company? No, right? Because Sir software solution is already registered in this name, right? So we cannot do that. So same thing, Oak is already registered that time with the company that is the Oak Technologies. That's why they changed the name from Oak to the Java. So what is the Java? So Java is a copy bean name. Okay, Java is a copy bean. Suppose they are developing some project in the second or third floor. That time, what is the thing there? Like at the downside, there is a one coffee shop. Okay, so one day what happened? The James Gosling sir went to that coffee shop and drank one coffee. That coffee bean name is a Java. Okay, from that coffee bean name, they given the name that to this language that is the Java. If you notice the symbol as well, here one symbol is there that is the coffee symbol. Why they are given? Because Java is a copy bean name. Okay, Java is a copy bean name. After that, they changed the name, and after that, they released first version of the Java, that is the in 1995 Java Alpha Beta version. After that, in 1996, they released another version, JDK 1.0, and every year, every after 6 months, they are releasing new version like JDK 1.0, JDK 1.1, J2SE 1.2, then Java SE8, Java SE7. See here, JDK, J2EC, and the Java SE. These are not the different languages. These are the same language only, but with the different versions. Okay, these all are the same language only, but with the different versions. These are the different versions only. Is only the Java, because many people are confused between the JDK is different, J2EC is different language, Java SE is different language. These are not the different language. These are the versions of the Java. Okay, this is JDK is the version, another version, J2EC is the another version, Java SE is the another version. So every year or every 6 months they are releasing the new versions of the Java. Okay, now if you search here inside the Chrome, if you want to see the latest version, you can search from the Chrome as well, right? So here, what is the name, old name of our Java? Oak. And why they change the name from Oak to Java? Because Oak name is already registered to the company, that is the Oak Technologies. Okay, Oak name is already registered with the another company, that is with the Oak Technologies. That's why they have changed the name from Oak to the Java. What is the Java from which they have given the name this one? Copy bean. Okay, Java is a copy bean name. Okay, so this is the small history of our Java. Like if you want to learn the history, you have to learn with the help of story, like a story you have to learn. First, they have developed some project. Who is the head? That is the James Gosling, and his team developed the project. What is his team name? That is the great team. Yeah, they want some investors. Who is the investor that time? Sun Microsystems. After that, Oracle acquired the Java in 2010. Right now, who is the investor? That is the Oracle. Before that, one investor is there, that is Sun Microsystems. Now, after 2010, Java is acquired by Oracle. Okay. Now, in which year they start this thing? They started in 1991. What is the first name of Java? Oak. After that, they changed the name from Oak to Java. Why? Because Oak is already registered with the another company, that is the Oak Technologies. Okay, this name is already registered by the another companies, that is the Oak Technologies. After that, in 1995, they have released first version, that is the Java Alpha Beta version. After a year, after every 6 months, they are releasing the new version, JDK 1.0, then J2EC, then Java SE. They are releasing every year or every 6 months. They are releasing the new version. If you want to check that, here you can search Java version security. Okay, if you come here, you go down. So these are all are the Java versions. See, old versions. See inside the red color, these all are the old versions only. If you see into the this yellow color, this is older version. So these all are the older versions. After that, here latest version is the latest version here, Java SE 20, and which is the future release, Java SE. The executable file, or you can use the zip file as well. Okay, both are the same only.